Improve your affiliate marketing with these tips. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. As you can see, it is a very big world complete with all kinds of programs, products, and plans. The fact that there are many ways to approach this type of marketing can make it seem hard to find what will work for you. The tips below can give you some suggestions. It is important to select a company with high sales conversion rates in order to have a successful affiliate program. Use a 1% ratio for a benchmark. Affiliate marketing doesn't pay off quickly. By placing your links carefully and consistently, you will slowly build up residual income. A link that you placed a long time ago may continue to bring you income for years if you put it in the right place, with good content and good referral links. High pressure is not required. Remember that affiliate marketing is not the same as selling, so you really don't have to put yourself through a lot of stress to do it. You don't have to handle merchandise or inventory. You deal with prospects rather than customers. You only have to introduce your prospects to the product. You don't really have to sell, so you are better off just being friendly and pleasant and making sure lots of people see the product. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you must be willing to learn and take the time to seek the information that is going to help you make a profit. Unless you take the time to learn all of the different tricks of the trade, you are likely to fail and waste your time trying. In the world of affiliate marketing, there are many techniques that you have at your disposal to promote your business. The world of affiliate marketing has a little something for everyone, but what works for one person may not for another. Hopefully, these tips have given you a starting point for your own marketing plans. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.